Have you ever been lost in a building and not sure where to go? Perhaps you can't remember which way to your doctor's office. Or maybe you just arrived in a large area and you're overwhelmed by the number of rooms on the floor? Meet VALE. VALE is an autonomous robot that can lead you to your destination. She's a great listener and good for questions. Using advanced techniques and calibrations, VALE will simply ask you where you want to go and listen for your answer. Using the TiM 781 LiDAR produced by SICK, the Beagle Blue computer, and a robot base, VALE takes your input and leads you to where you want to go on a single floor of the building. VALE is designed with the disability and elderly communities in mind first and foremost. These communities represent 28% of all Americans. Many members of these communities are reliant upon those around them, and VALE exists to change that by offering independence back to these communities. VALE works by creating a 2D map of the building using the LiDAR and odometry. Once this map is stored, the room points are extracted and set as the destinations. Next, the user asks to be taken somewhere. VALE will respond saying whether or not she can. From here, VALE will travel to the destination and announce her arrival. Using advanced obstacle avoidance features, VALE can also safely navigate a building and respond to changes in the environment. And remember, VALE is your friendly guide robot, so whenever you are lost, VALE will be there for you.